Hello student, in previous video we start this chapter some basic concept of chemistry, and only few types of slide are present here, so only we discuss to these types of slide. So today our topic is mole concept. Mole means a unit to represent any types of quantity, and mole represent mole value represent by Avogadro with the help of experiment, and this value are means 1 mole are equal to the 6.022 into 10 power 23. So 1 mole is the amount of a substance that contain as many particles of entire age as there are atom in exactly 12 gram of the 12 carbon isotopes. So 1 mole of atom 6.022 into 10 power 23 entities, and the mass of 1 mole of a substance in gram is called its molar mass. And suppose if any types of atom or molecules, so when we discuss or find the value of atom, so it's called gram atomic mass, and we calculate the value of molecular, so it's called gram molecular mass. And also this types of calculation in to find the volume of a gas in liter at the standard temperature pressure means STP, and they are the value are 22.4. This value is also a constant value, they are fixed. So this is the mole concept. So suppose if any types of question like that, for example, calculate the number of mole in 26 gram of water, suppose. So first you find the or calculate the value of molar mass means mm of water, so H2O, so 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16 equal 18, and given mass value is, so this is the molecular mass, and given mass is 20, suppose 42 or 46 anything value. So just you fill the value to the formula n equal m by gmm. So gmm means molecular value. So suppose n equal 46 by 18. So this is the process to find the mole, and mole especially this is the unit to represent any types of quantity. And next, limiting reagent. So limiting reagent, that means the reactant use of the first in the chemical reaction, and excess reagent, the reactant present in quantities greater than necessary to react with the quantity of the limiting reagent. Means when any types of reaction carried out, if the reactant are not present in the amounts as required by a balanced chemical equation, so in such situation, one reactant is in excess over the other. So the reactant which is present in the lesser amount get consumed after some times, and after that no further reaction take place, whatever be the amount of the other reactant present. Okay, so here the hence the reactant which gets consumed limit amount and produce form, and there is therefore is called limiting reagent. Means suppose two types of reactant are participate and make a product. So in this case, in case one types of reactant are present in a small amount comparing to other types, so this low amount or less amount reactant are first consumed, after that second. Okay, so this is called a limiting reagent. Just like see here, and before reaction has start, here this is the limiting reagent and this is the excess reagent. So limiting reagent, the reactant used up first in the chemical reaction, and excess reagent means the reactant present in quantities greater than necessary to react with the quantity of the limiting reagent. So here before reaction has start, a green color limiting reagent and red color excess reagent. And after reaction means here to combine the substance, and after that they convert in the form of product. So this is the limiting reagent. Next thing, mass percent. So mass percent of a compound is given by the formula mass percent of elements, means mass of elements by total mass of compound into 100. So mass percent is used by the only binary solution, and it is used for calculation of very small quantities. So suppose if any types of compound like that sulfuric acid, so sulfuric acid, find the mass percent of sulfur. So first mass of to the particular substance which are present to any types of compound. So suppose sulfur 32, and total mass of compound means sulfuric acid, the mass of calculate the mass of sulfuric acid is 2 into 1 plus 1 into 32 plus 4 into 16, so 64, that, and adding the total value is 98, means 32 by 98 into 100. And according to weight calculate this types of value. So suppose here the present composition by mass, added 100 gram of sucrose and add water, use the solution mass in 1000 gram. So percent of mass, 100 gram of sucrose by 1000 gram of solution into 100. So the value are 0 0 cancel, means 1 by 10. So the value are zero point 0.1. Okay, so this is the process to find the mass percent of any types of elements or weight. Okay, and next video we discuss the mole fraction. Okay, thank you.